Yeah, welcome back, and just have a little update here now. I have been thinking about buying another high pressure washer because the one I had was not possible to put on a lot of other equipment. So it was a special offer. Jula have MEEC tools that I have some other tools from, and lights and different things. So they had a MEEC tool 130 bars pressure washer that I can put on different tools. I've been using other things to foam washer things that I use from Bildilla. That was very cheap, but if you want to use a one-time use on different things of those, they start to be expensive when you use them. So I just bought this that is supposed to work with this pressure here, and a pipe cleaning tool. This is the most important for me because the frame on the Land Cruiser 120 series and other Land Cruisers and some other four-wheel drive cars, inside the frame is filling up with dirt. So I was hoping to be able to put that one in from different angles and push out the dirt from that. So that was my plan now. First now I'm putting the machine together and we can test. At least it's coming in a lot of parts. So it's have to just start to put together and we can start to do something else, we hope. I got it together. It was one of the worst instruction book I ever seen, but it's not many screws, so you guess it. But the soap dispenser system I bought is just twisting in, and also this pipe system to blow out dirt from pipes, and in my case to blow out into the frame of the Land Cruiser, I hope, in the first, and then some pipes also. This machine is very little. I had another one that I could change thing on. That one was bigger than this. And yeah, and just dress up and go and test it. Yeah, then I have put on electric power. I put on water, turn on the water, and just seeing what's happening. Yeah, at least something happens. I have my pipe here. I'm going to try. Let's just see. All over the camera. At least it pushing a lot of dirt around. Sorry, camera is going to drown. Just have to see. We have holes and I can start to put it in. The only thing I can guarantee is working is cleaning, but it's very, very dirty. So I think I have to do it in, yeah, leave it like this. I have to clean on the other side. But the guy was getting most clean is me, getting very wet. Hey, we take the other side, and then we see. Maybe I have time tomorrow night to. Maybe the weather is so good so I can try to clean more and let this drain off. My camera thing need a clean too, it's very dirty. I'm just trying on this side now. Yeah, out to testing a pressure washer again today. This old walker was completely ground down. Help a little. Now just taking the silica, testing the soap dispenser. Let's see. Det er sånn bråk med hele tiden. Ja, det er mye å kutte, ja. Nå har vi vært og tømt siste del på kompet. Ja. Det er en del av jobben med også. Ja, da det er det. Det er greit at man får se at det ikke er bare skruing og klipping av ledninger og fintenking vilkåret. Ja. Det er litt kjøving og litt... diverse som skal ta hit og dit, ja. Ja, det er det. Blir det rett i bilen, eller? Ja, bilen også. Ja, men det går fort her, ja.